On this video, we're going to show you how this Sugru molding clay can fix headphones, electronics. It can actually even help you in plumbing. It does come in many different colors. This is a moldable plasticine product that dries super hard like cement, that is waterproof, shock absorbing, and can withstand temperatures from 180 Celsius to -40 Celsius. Stay tuned for the video and our tests. So this is the Sugru moldable glue. This is essentially plasticine that dries like glue, but it also becomes flexible. There's no mess, it's waterproof, heat, and cold resistant. So we're gonna do a test on this on an actual product. So this is a mount that I used to film, and you're gonna note that this plastic kind of broke right over here. Now this is about a $40 mount. I do not want to be obviously buying another one, and it's still there. So what we're gonna do is put a little super glue in here, and as you can see, it kind of gave out. Now I have an adhesive, a construction adhesive that I can use, but if I do that, I won't be able to expand it, and it's gonna crack probably if I try to put it around my neck. So we got this, we're gonna test this out. Let's just see the direction. So Sugru sticks permanently to lots of materials like glass, ceramic, wood, metal, and plastics. It's waterproof, temperature resistant up to 180 Celsius. So we're not gonna be obviously putting this in the oven or anything. And down to -40. It's shock resistant, dishwasher proof, washing machine safe, UV resistant, electronically insulated. So let's open this up. This was pretty inexpensive on Amazon. So inside we have a QR code to explore the wonderful world of Sugru for tips. It's a pretty thick manual. Okay, so stick it, mold it, set strong, it's flexible, organized, so you can create hangers, modify, so you can make buttons, you can make zippers, you can create little pineapples, fix holes and cracks. You can also use this in ABS plumbing as well, in vehicles for repairing metal as well. Well, depends where, because if it's going to get higher than 180 Celsius, you're not going to need to. You can use this as silicone around right here, faucet. And of course you can do something like this. So what do we get here? So we've got these black, and blacks. It does come in many different colors. So we only got black. So this will go nicely here. Let's go and open up the pack. Now you will need to reseal this afterwards. It's actually very easy to do. Just get a little piece and then you just work it for about 30 seconds in your fingers. The heat from your fingers is going to activate the chemicals inside, and then you just apply it here and then just let it go, and then wait till tomorrow, and we're gonna see if it's gonna break or not. Now I don't want to take the whole thing out, but it's about 2 inches, so we're just gonna take a little piece out, enough to cover this. Now there's very little smell to this, so it's not toxic. So again, we're just gonna rub this, turn this into a ball, and then just heat this up for about 30 seconds. Just kind of malleolate in your hands, if that's even a word. You're gonna feel this getting a little warmer, and it's gonna be very smooth and easy to mold, okay? Like, it's gonna be very easy. So now once we have this, we're gonna create a long piece like this, and we're gonna go around this crack right over here. So we're just gonna go like this, pull a little inside, and then we're gonna go around. Now we wanna make sure that we're gonna go all the way around, so one end attaches to the back of the other one. Now let's check the other side, make sure that we're good, and I think we're about done here. Now again, I didn't put a lot on here, it's just a very fine, thin coat. Now the rest is over here. You'll make sure you put a piece of tape on here so the rest doesn't dry off. So when you're done, in our case, we're gonna take this piece of duct tape, and we're just gonna go and tape this like that. And this is enough to keep the rest of this intact. That's all there is. All right, so for the next test, we're gonna take a bottle cap and we're gonna make a hole in it. We're gonna make a pretty big hole. And there we go, right through. So you guys can see that it's right through. And we're gonna go and make it a little bigger. There we go, that's a pretty big hole. Now we're gonna take some of this glue. Not a lot, just this much. And we're gonna get it on the inside. Now we didn't dry off the cap, there's still a little bit of iced tea in there. But we're gonna go and get this in just from the inside. Like that, very thin little coat. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna let this sit. Once it dry, we're gonna put water in here and we're gonna see if it actually goes through. All right, so it's been about 48 to 50 hours. This is definitely solid. You can chip it off though, but of course you're not going to once you set it through. So let's see if this is waterproof. I'm just gonna put this on here. The cap is not from this bottle, but that's okay. It still fits, and let's see if it leaks. I'm gonna put this right above the lens, so if it leaks, it's gonna go right on the phone, and it doesn't look like it is. So there you have it. This is perfect for sealing plumbing as well, and it's waterproof. So those are our two tests. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.